Good morning, everybody. My name's Molly Young, and I'm going to be your instructor for this class, Managing Healthcare Human Resources. I'm really excited. I have a background in HR and healthcare, and I think this is an important class for everybody to take, those who obviously want to go into human resources, but anyone working in healthcare should understand the general functions of the human resource department and the type of help they can offer to the rest of the organization. We're going to cover a lot of ground in the next 6 weeks, an amazing amount of information, pretty much everything that you'll need to know to be able to understand how the HR department works. So we're going to talk about everything from HR law, discrimination, credentialing, recruiting, diversity, but I want this class to give you a really good idea of the role that HR plays within the organization. We'll also talk about job descriptions, performance evaluations, compensation, reward systems, which is one of my favorite topics, employee benefits, also learning opportunities for employees, labor relations, a little bit about unions, current trends in the HR or in the healthcare, labor market, workforce planning, and then getting into in the final week what role HR plays in quality improvement and patient care through staffing and appropriate training for our employees. So it's going to be a really quick ride through human resources, the nitty-gritty of what you need to know. I'm really looking forward to working with you. I see from the roster that there's several of you that I've had class with before. Excited to reconnect with you, excited to learn about those students who I haven't had the opportunity to work with before. I hope that you will find that I'm a very easygoing person. I try each week to explain what's expected of you in the assignments and the discussions, but I am certainly open to any questions you have, any clarification you need in order to make this a really positive journey for you. So welcome to the class. I look forward to the next 6 weeks. I'm hoping that this video background that you see will improve as we continue through the class. I just went through a major move in the last week or so, and am still trying to get myself together, but here we go, and I look forward to working with you. Have a great day and welcome to the class. And this holiday week will be a little interesting, but we'll get it all done. Thanks so much for watching my video. Talk to you soon.